Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wimpi Rizal from University of Surabaya. I will present my thesis proposal entitled Increase in Power Factor and Efficiency of Electric Consumption on Bulk Carrier Ship 50,000 dWt that be done using passive filter. There are six discussions. 1. Background. 2. Literature studies. 3. Problems. 4. Goal. 5. Problem limitation. 6. Research methods. Background explain about 1. The amount of electricity consumption is influenced by the type of load used. Load has resistive, inductive, and capacitive properties. This trait will have an impact on the electrical system, which is the power factor. The greater the power factor, less active power, then the more good the electrical system will be, and vice versa. Second, when the system has a low power factor, large reactive power, it will have an effect on the push consumption of generator sets. So it is necessary to improve the power factor by using capacitors. 3. Bulk carrier ship electrical system has a low power factor that requires capacitor for power factor improvement. 4. It is expected that after the increase in the usage of capacitor bank and passive filter, it will be more efficiency electricity consumption and the power factor will be better than before. The studies discuss the increase in power factor by adding bank capacitor and discussed the efficiency of electricity consumption using passive filter used to correct sinusoidal wave defect due to harmonics. 5 major journals for reference to this journal from Sri Adyasa Electrical Energy Consumption Efficiency Analysis Study on Say Daily to both at PT Doc and Surabaya Shipping. Second, Eric Sukianto, Computational Ship Detection Model to determine the power needs of bulk carrier DVT ships. Antonio T. The effect of passive filter of industrial and household power grid due to inverter air conditioning AC. Lupis are effective of LC passive filter used in reducing harmonic current. Problems. In order to focus on the material that is contained, the research limit the problem as follows. How to increase the power factor in the electrical system. Second, how do I fix the wave of defect caused by harmonics? 3. How do I make full saving on a ship? There are 4 objectives in the journal, namely 1. Power consumption optimization on board electrical equipment. Second, increase power factor in ship electrical system. 3. Fixing the wave of defect to harmonic. 4. Full economy on board. The limitation of this problem is journal are 1. Effort to increase power factor with bank capacitor installation, not discussing harmonics. 3. Efficiency of electric consumption on ship. 4. Efficiency full use on ship. Research methodology. The following research steps are: Research step 1. Preparing single line diagram bulk carrier ship electrical distribution system. Second, collect system component data required by the software in the case etap power station in the form of raw data commonly used for capacitor installation analysis. 3. Collect voltage data and load of bulk carrier system electrical system as the basis in modeling and simulation with etap software. 4. Enter the data required by etap power installation. 7. Analysis the installation of LC capacitor and filter with simulation in etap. 6. Check the result and compare with the value of power factor, real power, reactive power, and pseudo power when before and after the installation of the bank capacitor does occur improvement in the new system. 7. Check the result and compare how much the power factor, real power, reactive power, and pseudo power are when before and after the installation of the bank capacitor if there is an improvement. 8. Provide recommendation and summation of research result. Flowchart. Start. Collection of electrical energy data on two carried vessels. Next, data on electricity, power, voltage, current, and Cosby single line diagram and nameplate. Create a single line chart modified on etap. Enter electrical amount data and nameplate data in etap. Next, simulate before and after the installation of bank capacitor. Whether the power factor meet the 92% target. If no, addition of bank capacitor and make again single line of etap. If yes, data processing result after and before the installation of bank capacitor. Finish. This is an image from a single line diagram of the electrical system, the blue carrier ship. In the picture, there are 6 main loads that will be installed in the capacitor bank and passive filter, which serve to increase the power factor and repair the wave defect to two harmonics. Hope for the future of the research. It is expected that after the increase in passive filter use, it will be more efficiency electricity consumption and the power factor will be better than before. Bibliography. Thanks for your attention.